Hi guys, today I'm going to recommend Vicks VapoRub for cold cough symptoms relief. Having cough for quite a while, so trying to get something for my cold. Yeah, never tried this before. It has menthol, camphor, eucalyptus. How to use this is basically you need to apply on your chest or throat back area for relief. Okay, from cough and cold symptoms. Yeah, so it can help in breathing, body aches, cough, blocked nose, headaches, muscular problems. And it says that it can relieve in 5 minutes. I have not tried yet, but I'll try. Cough and blocked nose. Okay, this one can use for steam inhalation as well. Apply 1 or 2 teaspoons to a bowl of hot water, not boiling hot water. Okay, cover your head with towel, lean over the bowl to breathe. Okay, and you basically breathe in for 10 to 15 minutes, right?